In this tutorial, we will learn about while loops in Python. A while loop is used to execute a block of code repeatedly as long as a certain condition is met. The syntax of a while loop is as follows. In this example, we have initialized a variable num to 1. The while loop executes the block of code as long as the condition num less than equals 5 is true. The code inside the while loop will execute repeatedly until the condition becomes false. In each iteration of the loop, the value of num is printed and then incremented by 1. As you can see, the loop executes 5 times, printing the numbers from 1 to 5. Let's try another example. Suppose we want to take user input and print the numbers from 1 to the input number. In this example, we first take user input using the input function and convert it to an integer using the int function. The while loop executes as long as the condition I less than equals num is true. In each iteration of the loop, the value of I is printed and then incremented by 1. As you can see, the loop executes the number of times equal to the user input and prints the numbers from 1 to the input number. That's it for this tutorial on while loops in Python. Hope you found it helpful and have fun coding.